Good morning. My name is Keane, and today it's a holiday. It's April 9, Day of Valor. Valor? It's Valor. Hindi ako masyado nakatulog kagabi. Nag-brown out. Tapos pagtingin ko sa labas may ilaw yung mga kapitbahay. Well, today, nothing. Hindi ako marunong magplano eh. Hindi ako marunong magplano. I don't know. Hindi ako marunong magplano. Basta let's make this day a day. Let's see kung saan tayo dadalhin ng araw na to. Bili tayo ng pagkain natin mamaya. Actually, tinatamad akong magluto. I usually meal prep. I'm just gonna make an omelette. Like an Asian style omelette. That's what we're going to cook later. And then bukas na ako mag-meal prep. Okay? Tara! It's a very hot day. Expecting na maraming tao. It's good na mas gusto ng mga tao magpahinga. Today, ano madalas mong ginagawa pag holiday? Do you just stay home? Go out with your family or friends? What do you usually do? This is also my first time. Time ko rin pala mag-spend ng holiday sa bahay mag-isa. So, yeah. A lot of firsts today. So, what do you guys do on a holiday? Do you guys just stay home or go out? Well, I prefer staying home. I'm actually watching this Netflix show. It's a Korean drama. When Life Gives You Tangerines ba yun? The mishaps and the adventure of the character. Nasa episode 2 pa lang ako. The first episode was so sad. Anyways, syempre hindi ko kayo bibigyan ng spoiler. You guys should watch it. I can't say it's a fun show, but it's a really nice show. Second episode pa lang, gusto ko siya. So, yeah, you guys should watch it. Whew. Ang init! Naamay ko na yung sinaing. Luto na yung sinaing natin. So, simple na ilulutuin ko ngayon. Asian omelette. Maraming tomato. And maraming egg. Yeah, it's 3 p.m. It's nice to be home. Medyo mainit lang today. Eh, nagtitipid ako ng kuryente. Tsaka wala masyadong kotse sa labas. Yeah. So, medyo mainit lang today. Hindi ko pa binubuksan yung aircon kasi nagtitipid tayo ng kuryente. Binubuksan ko siya mga 9 p.m. Ganun din ba kayo? Tipid-tipid din. Yung laging palamig ka. Okay, let's prep. Tapos mag-meal prep ako ngayon. Nakalimutan kong ilabas yung karne. Teka lang, gamit kaya tayo ng microphone. Para may mga nagrereklamo kasi medyo mahina daw yung audio ko. Yung salita ko. Okay, 1 minute. Hello guys! Much better, yeah? Teka lang. Dito ko ba ilagay? Dito na lang kaya? Yeah. Para, pwede ko naman isabit sa akin, but yeah lang. Wala. Parang talk show. We're going to make Asian omelette. So, Asian omelette is medyo wet omelette na may maraming tomato at may ketchup. Medyo nasasanay na ako ng electric stove. Maganda pa rin magluto sa apoy. But, I'm getting used to this. Okay, so let me prep our sahog. Sahog ba? No. Prep muna natin yung mga gigisa natin. Okay. I made you believe. Diba? It takes a while for it to heat up, but yeah, whatever. We're gonna use 3 tomatoes. Well, 3 tomatoes. We're gonna use 3 tomatoes. Okay. Here's the thing. I said Asian, right? But lalagyan natin ng Parmesan cheese. I mean, sa dulo. Ano to? Cooking with Keane, ha? Cooking with Keane. Something's wrong with my chopping board. Hindi siya yung satisfying na dumidikit yung kutsilyo. Well, get what you paid for. I think I paid for this chopping board for 60 pesos. Yeah. Nah. It is what it is. Meron akong kahoy na chopping board, pero iniisip ko kasi, so gagamitin mo siya, paano mo siya huhugasan? You know, parang hindi pa nabubulok siya. So, siguro magre-research muna ako kung paano siya ma-maintain. And then, yeah, sayang naman eh. Last year, I enrolled myself to a culinary school. Marunong naman ako magluto dati pa. Pero nung nag-culinary school ako, parang ang dami kong mas natutunan. Yes, we know how to cook, but you know, pwede pa palang i-improve. The science behind cooking. Nag-enroll din ako sa baking class nila. Marunong na akong gumawa ng tinapay. Yung mga cake, okay lang naman, pero mas gusto kong gumawa ng tinapay. One of these days, I'm gonna bake some bread. Mga paborito kong binibake, focaccia, pandesal. Yeah. Gusto ko mag-experiment eh. Ay, hindi ko sasabihin yung experiment ko, baka magaya ng iba. Pero ang pinakaayaw ko talaga sa pagluluto, ito. This is my least favorite. You have to be patient. This is essential. Ang ating mga panggisa. I'm slicing some ginger. Chopping. I always put ginger on anything and everything that I cook. Not only does it taste good, but it also it's got a lot of nutrients to it. Nagsasalapat nga ako every night eh. Medyo nakakaaning to ha. I mean, talking to a camera. Siyempre, dati may kasama tayo sa bahay, may nagluluto, may nag-chop. Now that I live alone, nakakatamad din magluto minsan. Pero, siyempre, hindi na tayo pwede bilhin ng pagkain sa labas. I mean, you know, dude, I have the skill. I can cook for myself, so why would I do that? Pero, minsan, nakakatamad din talaga. So, pero, you know what? Since it's a holiday, I got nothing to do anyway, so might as well cook something for myself. I know it's a simple dish, it's a omelette, pero what? I'm working hard on it, look at me. I'm chopping some garlic. That is self-care, babe. Hindi naman natin ginujulian yung sangkap natin. Hindi naman tayo nag-julian cut dito. Rustic lang. Nothing fancy. We're done with our panggisa. Alright. Eggs. We need eggs for this, obviously. A friend of mine, she gave me a gourmet tuyo. So, we're gonna have tuyo tonight. Yeah. Use 3 eggs. Pero 4 to. Sayang naman kung ditira ko pa yung isa. So, gamitin na natin lahat. This is good. I feel like I'm not alone. I feel like I'm with someone today. So we used 4 eggs. Hello guys, alright, tapos na tayo magluto. And so, this is the Asian omelette. Yeah. We also have a gourmet tuyo. A friend of mine gave this to me. Can you see it? Adlay rice. It is 3:45 p.m. And ito talaga ako kaaga kumain. Fasting din kasi. So, I usually eat around 12, minsan 4. Depende sa... Siyempre, pag marami kang gagawin, you have to eat. But for now, chill lang tayo. So, this is my first meal of the day. And later, punta tayo ng... We're going to work out. Boxing or gym. Yeah, of course, as always, you guys are gonna come with me. So good. Let's try the tuyo. If you guys can smell the aroma in this house. May mga tao bang nababahuan sa tuyo? Ako gusto ko yung amoy ng tuyo. Perfect combo. Let me eat first, okay? And I'll get back to you guys.
The nearby city, everything's just... Well, into the red party was spent building...
Alright, later, around 7, we're gonna go for a workout. No, we're not sure yet if it's going to be boxing or the gym. You guys are coming with me, so... Okay, we're gonna go boxing tonight. It is 7 p.m. And hindi na magpapalit kasi papawisan lang din naman tayo. And yeah, let's go! Thank you for joining me today. I feel less alone talking to you. You who's watching this, thank you. I feel less alone today. And it's a very, very productive day. I was able to cook for myself. I was able to do Muay Thai. Yeah, pero ang sakit ng tuhod ko. Tsaka parang namamasasya yung tuhod ko. A long time ago. I don't remember. I think it's been 10 years since I entered a boxing gym. Medyo maga yung tuhod natin, but it's okay. I was able to cook for myself today. Yeah, that is self-love. Kahit nandito lang tayo sa bahay, marami tayong nagawa sa araw na to. And so, anywho, I am going to call it a night. I'm just gonna chill. And, I'm going to start a new book. I'm going to read this, 12 Rules for Life by Jordan Peterson. And a friend gave this to me. I'm not sure if it's a gift or she's just letting me borrow it for a while. I don't know. If you're watching this, can you text me? Is this mine or am I going to return this back to you? Anywho, yeah, looks interesting. So we're going to start a new book. What are your rules for life? My rules for life is just kahit nakakatakot, kahit malungkot, just do it anyway. FAFO. Anywho, thank you once again for joining me today and for watching this video. I no longer cringe when I say I'm a vlogger. Like I can say that I'm a vlogger because I've been this is like my 11th vlog. Please do subscribe to my channel. It would really help me a lot. And also like the video, and you can also follow me on my social medias. It's just Keane Andeza. You can follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. I will see you guys on the next. I'm not sure what the next video is going to be about, but I'm not going to give away anything yet. Alright, thank you so much once again. Peace and love. Duh.